And as we've been telling you, the showdown continues over the Muda scam. The Bharatiya Janata Party is staging a protest outside the Vidhan Soudha. Let's go straight to Deepak, who is outside Vidhan Soudha, and we'll also get in Imran, who is at the Freedom Park. Deepak, take us through what you're seeing around you.
So one second.
Yes.
Well, here the BJP leaders have begun their protest. You can see them, of course, standing in front of the Gandhi statue. Let me get in a word from Mr. Sadananda Gowda and the other leaders, of course, who are here. They're all making it amply clear that the protest is going to continue. Mr. Sadananda Gowda, today, the BJP staging this protest. As far as the Congress is concerned, they're saying this is just being, done to politicize the matter. There is no truth behind the allegations that are being leveled by the BJP.
Say the governor has gone in detail all the papers since last 15 days. He has given time, but the cabinet has not given any clarity. Just they said that we have to withdraw this, and he was making allegations against the complainant. That's all. But what exactly the matter that requires to withdraw that prosecution, that he has not given. Only a cabinet decision is sent to him to withdraw the petition that has been filed.
Mr. Siddaramaiah and the others say, why this, difference in the governor's attitude towards the chief minister? When the Lokayukta has asked for a sanction against Mr. Kumaraswamy, against Shashikala Jolle, against Janardhan Reddy, that is sitting in the governor's office for weeks or months together. But what chief minister
that is a separate issue. This is a very major issue because the ongoing protest by the public across the state, and being the head of the government, he ought to have resigned after giving that. Of course, I will come back to the power after going to the court if court gives a opinion.
How long will this protest continue now, sir?
Sir, till he resigns.
So it's not going to stop until he resigns?
No.
Well, that's the word from the BJP. You can see senior leaders here, the leader of the opposition, from the assembly, from the council, MLAs, MPs, all have come together. They are holding this placard as well, which of course talks about the Mysuru Muda scandal. They are here saying that the protest is going to continue and it will not stop until the resignation of the chief minister comes by.
Okay.
Meanwhile, there's a parallel protest. Of course, the Congress is holding just a few kilometers from here at Freedom.
And Deepak, as you keep getting us these pictures and as you keep speaking to the BJP leaders who are in fact using this as an opportunity to escalate their attack on the Congress government in Karnataka, let's go across to the protests that are taking place at the Freedom Park, where our colleague Imran is standing by and he's covering those protests by the Congress party. So on your screens are pictures of the BJP protest, which is outside the Vidhan Soudha, and the Congress party's protest, which is at Bengaluru's Freedom Park. The Congress party says that these allegations that are being leveled against Chief Minister Siddaramaiah when it comes to the Muda case are part of a larger conspiracy by the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is trying to destabilize governments. Now, that's the charge coming in from the Congress party. Imran, take us through what you're seeing around you and speak to the members of the Congress party as they also take out a protest today over the Muda case.
Well, yes, Senior Minister Zamir Ahmed. They say the senior leaders of the Congress cabinet is here at the Freedom Park taking out protests. In fact, the Congress has called for protests across the state now. They're also giving petition to the president. Senior leaders of the Congress party, the ministers also here. Sir,
They don't want to give any bite.
So you also give president about the governor, sir. See there.
Zamir Ahmed Khan
The president and call for protests across the state against governor. The Congress party is also giving petition to the president about governor and also call for protests across the state.
Yes, we are protesting against the behavior of the governor. He is behaving like a leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Is misusing the office of governorship. That's why we are protesting.
There you heard the senior leaders saying that the governor is acting as an agent of the central government, of the BJP. Hence, against him, the protest has been called across the state, and here too in Bengaluru, the protest has been called in the capital. All senior ministers will be coming here in short time, along with the Chief Minister also is joining the protest in 12 o'clock. In fact, Chief Minister himself led the charge against the governor, saying that the governor, beyond his jurisdiction, had gone ahead and given the sanction for prosecution, and he said that he's acting as an agent of the central government and acting as a member of the BJP.
Okay, so as you are seeing on your screens, these are pictures of the protests that are breaking out. On the right side of your screens, you're seeing the protest that is being led by the Bharatiya Janata Party outside the Vidhan Sauda. And on the right side of your screens, you're seeing pictures from the Freedom Park. The Congress Party is now levelling the charge of misuse of governor's office, and this comes after the prosecution for sanction was given. Let's once again go back to Deepak, who's joining us from the Vidhan Sauda. Deepak, the Congress Party, which is also protesting. Okay, we'll go back to Deepak, and Imran also continues to stay with us as he gets us the live pictures. Let's also now tell you about the kind of reactions that are coming in from the Congress. Leaders of the Congress from across the country have come out in support of Chief Minister of Karnataka, and they have gone on to claim that the BJP is misusing the office of the governor and is trying to use agencies to topple governments, especially in states where the opposition is in power. Here's a reaction coming in from leaders of the Congress in the national capital. Let's first play out that reaction that's coming from the Congress, and then we'll go to Deepak. Deepak, who's joining us live, and we'll also play out the reaction that came in from Rashid Alvi of the Congress Party, showing you the kind of support coming in from Congress leaders in Delhi. Deepak, as we speak to the protesters who've come out, the Congress is calling this misuse of the governor's office. If you could take that question to the leaders of the BJP who are protesting outside the Vidhan Sauda, the Congress Party says that this is the BJP that is trying to misuse the governor's office. What is their response to that charge?
Absolutely. Even as we speak at this point in time, they are staging a protest, and there are, several questions are being asked to the Chief Minister, and they are primarily here going on to say that the Chief Minister should resign. But like you mentioned, of course, as far as the Congress is concerned, they have been continuing to maintain that this is an attack on the Constitution, on the democracy. The people have voted for the Congress Party, and more importantly, they've been saying that this is not something that the people will accept, because the people have given their mandate. And let me try and get in a word from Mr. Leher Singh from the BJP, sir. The Congress leaders, just now, while they're protesting, of course, just a few kilometers from here at Freedom Park, they're saying you're misusing the governor's office. He's become a puppet under the central government, targeting an elected government.
एक इसमें बहुत सीधा सा ये है कि उनके ऊपर गंभीर आरोप लगाए गए हैं और हमने नहीं लगाए हैं, जनता में से आरोप लगे हैं और आरटीआई एक्टिविस्ट ने आरोप लगाए हैं, सारे उनको डॉक्यूमेंट इकट्ठा करने के बाद में। तो उसकी जांच के लिए जरूरी है, और जो मोरल हाई ग्राउंड कांग्रेस लेती है, राहुल गांधी और जो सोनिया गांधी जिस शुचिता की बात करते हैं, उसको देखते हुए कांग्रेस की छवि के लिए और सिद्धरामैया जी की छवि के लिए आवश्यक है वो तुरंत प्रभाव से इस्तीफा दें और ये जांच में उनका सहयोग करें।
एक इलेक्टेड गवर्नमेंट को गिराने की ये साजिश है, ये कांग्रेस का चार्ज है।
देखिए, कांग्रेस को आरोपों पर मैं क्या टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहूंगा, लेकिन ये जो सारा मामला आया है, आरटीआई एक्ट जो राहुल गांधी जी के और सोनिया गांधी जी के कहने पर लाया गया था 2005 में, उसको देखते हुए उसके आरटीआई के अंतर्गत ये डॉक्यूमेंट इकट्ठे किए गए हैं और आरटीआई एक्टिविस्ट ने आरोप लगाया है और गवर्नर ने सारी स्टडी करने के बाद में सैंक्शन दिया है। तो उसको देखते हुए, क्योंकि आगे भी पहले भी हमारे पास ऐसा उदाहरण है, हमारे जो पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री थे, उन्होंने जब उनको सैंक्शन दिया गया था, उन्होंने इस्तीफा दिया और हमारी पार्टी ने उनको इस्तीफा देने के लिए कहा और उन्होंने भी इसको स्वीकार किया। तो मैं समझता हूं कि देश की अच्छी राजनीति के लिए ये आवश्यक है कि कांग्रेस हाईकमान अपने मुख्यमंत्री को इस्तीफा देने के लिए कहें, और अगर जांच हो जाए तो उस जांच में अगर वो खरे उतरते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा है, उनके लिए भी अच्छा है और सबके लिए अच्छा है।
That's the word from the BJP. They're saying the resignation is important right now because him holding the Chief Minister's office and investigation happening by officers who report to him will not be a fair one.